Alright. So let's start the video. How to improve your profile if you're still in your college for CAT. The most important point is in the last, so wait for it. Stay tuned. The first point is participate in anything and everything, and while making sure that your CGPA is good. What I mean was participate in cultural activities, extracurricular activities, co-curricular activities, sports, everything, and get exposed to each and every things and excel in one or two. Like go till state level or win certain competitions in one or two while maintaining a good CGPA. For example, I was the captain of volleyball, basketball, and chess team. I played volleyball and chess at state level, represented my university and captained the university team, and at the same time also participated in a lot of cultural and law fests, organized a lot of fest also. Yeah, so this will help me in getting talking points in GDPI, and my CV won't be blank, and the GDPI will be way better. Like I will have talking points throughout, as I'm a fresher, right? Fresher is not a fresher, but I will have a lot of talking points if I did this. The second point will be get PORs. PORs are position of responsibility. Position of responsibility, as in get into student council, get into organizing committee of fest, and get into any student body, any committee, clubs and committees, get the management position over there. For example, I was the general secretary of the student body and for 2 years, and I managed a lot of fest. I organized lot of fest. Also, all the fest in my final year, it was managed by me. So I managed lot of funds, gathered a lot of sponsors also, and I was the what my division leader of my NCC cadet. Also, I was a member of NSS, Scouts and Guides. Lot of things. I have a lot of position responsibility under my belt, so it helps. Position responsibility and helps. The third point is internships. Do a lot of internships in your summer break, summer vacation, or even while college. Like what it will do is it will help you build your CV. Along with that, it will give you corporate exposure, and it like internships are very. For example, about me, I did internships in every sem break. I was from law, right? So I did under an advocate or under a government organization like panchayat, municipality, police station. I used to do that. You can do it in HR, marketing, operations, human resource, any of that. By which another perk is that you will get to know which specialization is for you after your MBA. So you will get corporate exposure and lot of things. The fourth point is academic achievements, like be your first in a class and first in university, excel in one subject in overall, or get awards for academics like overachiever, excellent achiever. For example, I don't have any academic achievements. So what I'm doing right now to improve that is there is an exam called PGCET, which is for only for Karnataka students for MBA. I am not planning to join any of that colleges, but I'm giving that so that I can get a good rank. If I get top 100 or top 1000 in that, I can put that in my CV that this is my academic achievement. I came so and so number. So I am trying to do that. Yeah, so you can do that, or if you are in a college, you can do that. Yeah, sure. NGOs and volunteering. This is next point. NGOs you can join, or as a under an NGO you can help them. They will give certificates for that, and it's valued very much in a B school. Any volunteering or internship done under an NGO, you can volunteer for anything and everything. You can start your own startup. If there is a need, you can do it. And apart from mainly the thing is, everything of this should not come under the expense of your academics. Your academics should be your main focus. Score as much as you can in academics, because it directly relates to your CAT score. Not CAT score, your admission in B school. These things are all things are secondary. So make sure this is in your mind. The other thing would be courses and upskilling yourself. Mainly, you can do courses from Udemy, Coursera, and any other online sources or offline, whichever you is your cup of tea. And this will help to build your CV also and get skills. Mainly, don't do it for the certification. If you're doing it for the certification, maybe it could be CA, CFA. But other than that, random courses, do it for the skills rather than certification. If you don't have the certification, it's fine, but if you have the skill, it's well and good. If you have skills, it's well and fine. Yeah. The last and most important tip, the bonus tip which I said you, right, it will be improve your communication. It's very, 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 very important. Like it can make and break your GDPI. If your communication is good but your knowledge is not that good, you can still make it if your communication is good. Like you can, I can't emphasize more about communication, guys. In your college, you can do communication well. You can improve your communication. Like talk to people. Don't be like, I'm introvert, I won't talk to normal people. I can't do this. You have to do this. If you're willing to do an MBA, you have to be a public speaker. You have to be a leader. So make sure you improve your public speaking. Also have a good communication. And yeah, this is the points which you can do to improve your profile in your college. And yeah, that is it for today. That is it for this video, guys. Hope I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.